In this video, I will show you step by step how you can cancel a subscription on your PayPal. So step number one is to head over to PayPal. Once we open it up and log in to our account, you need to click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. And now you'll see an option for subscriptions. Click on the subscriptions option. And now you want to click on the subscription that you want to cancel. So I've got one here. I will click on this to be able to cancel it. As you can see, what you can now do is click on the settings account option right there next to the name of the subscription. And then from here, you've got an option now to go to the website of the subscription, or you can simply cancel this through PayPal. At the bottom, as you can see, it does say cancel subscription. So what this will do is PayPal will cancel the subscription, but any pending payments may still go through. And you can also go through just to make sure to the website by clicking on manage, and then you can then cancel it directly from the website of the subscription. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can cancel a subscription on PayPal.